Have you ever wished you could pull off a little kitchen magic tricks that make cooking faster, easier, and even more fun? Well, you're in luck. Some of the best kitchen hacks aren't just myths, they actually work, and they'll make you feel like a culinary wizard. Here are some real-life kitchen magic tricks that will leave you, and your friends, amazed. 1. The ice-cold onion chop. No tears. Cutting onions is the ultimate kitchen torture, unless you know the secret. Before chopping, pop your onion in the freezer for 10-15 minutes. The cold slows down the release of the sulfuric compounds that make you cry. No more watery eyes, just perfect, tear-free dicing. 2. The banana ripening trick. Fast, easy. Need ripe bananas now for banana bread? Place unpeeled bananas on a baking sheet and bake at 300 Dufour F 150 Dufour C for 15-20 minutes. The skins will turn black, but inside, they'll be soft, sweet, and ready to mash. 3. The lazy garlic peeling hack. Peeling garlic cloves one by one is tedious. Instead, place a whole bulb, or a few cloves, in a jar. Seal the lid and shake vigorously for 10 seconds. The skins will separate, like magic. 4. The egg freshness test. Not sure if your eggs are still good? Fill a bowl with water and gently place the egg inside. Fresh egg. Sinks and lies flat. Older but still good egg. Sinks but stands upright. Bad egg. Floats. Time to toss it. 5. The lemon. Microwave trick for more juice. Need every last drop of juice from a lemon or lime? Roll it firmly on the counter first, then microwave it for 10-15 seconds. The heat breaks down the membranes, making it juicier than ever. 6. The potato chip bag reseal. No chip clip? No problem. Fold the top of the bag inward, then flip both corners down to create a tight seal. Your snacks stay fresh without any extra gadgets. 7. The quick cool beer or soda trick. Forgot to chill drinks for guests? Wrap a wet paper towel around your can or bottle and place it in the freezer for 5-7 minutes. The evaporating water cools it down fast, perfect for last-minute gatherings. 8. The pancake batter bottle hack. Messy pancake pours? Transfer your batter into an empty squeeze bottle, like a ketchup bottle, for perfect drip-free pancakes every time. Bonus: you can even write fun shapes. 9. The strawberry stem remover. Tired of slicing off the tops of strawberries? Push a drinking straw straight up through the bottom of the berry. It'll pop the stem right out. 10. The revive stale bread. Trick: stale bread doesn't have to go to waste. Sprinkle it lightly with water, then pop it in the oven at 350 Dufour F 175 Dufour C for 5-10 minutes. The moisture brings it back to life, crispy outside, soft inside. Final thought: magic is real in the kitchen. These tricks aren't just clever, they're game changers that save time, reduce waste, and make cooking more fun. Try them out and watch your friends' jaws drop when you reveal your kitchen sorcery. Which trick will you try first? Let us know in the comments, and if you have your own kitchen magic, share it below.